Hey guys, we received this Giffel International 8, 10 and 12-inch non-stick frying pan set. It's a set of three cast aluminum pan with a detachable handle. So these are like the non-stick skillet and is good for things. So there are like three pans and one handle, and you can put the handle on any pan you want to use. So let me just open everything. So this comes in a really nice protective packing, so I had to take out all packing. The quality of the pens are really good, as I can see from here. So let me just take out all that stuff and then take out these things. So there are total three pens and one handle. So this is the one handle, three pens. So this handle can easily put in any pen, just like it's a click lock thing, and it will just take it back, so it will not come out. And you can just take it out by click of this button and then put it here. So the cleaning and feel of this is nice, and then from the heat perspective, this looks really tough from the bottom with a thick panel. So this is the same quality for all three pans, only the size are different. So this is like the energy efficient one as well, because of this thick panel, it can dissipate the heat, and then even heating or the fast heating. And the same thing for the handle. So the one handle will fits all these three pans. So the cooking is, as I mentioned, is pretty fast, and you can see like the heat is dissipating easily. So cleaning is also easy with the water and the dish soap. So frying and all the other cooking purpose is a very good, nice pan, and you can easily clean and wash and use it for all the different purposes. Very nice set of pans.